Carnivora is an order of mammals that primarily consists of meat eaters, though not all of them stick strictly to a carnivorous diet. This group includes some of the most recognized animals on the planet, such as lions, bears, and wolves, but also lesser-known species like the binturong. The story of carnivora's evolution is a tale of adaptation and survival. These animals first emerged around 60 million years ago, not long after the dinosaurs had exited stage left. They've since diversified into a wide array of forms, adapting to environments all over the globe, from the Arctic ice to tropical forests. What makes a carnivore a carnivore? It's not just about diet. These animals are generally equipped with strong, sharp teeth for tearing meat, powerful jaws and claws for grabbing and holding onto their prey. They have highly developed senses, especially smell and hearing, which are crucial for hunting. Subgroups within Carnivora, Feliformia, Caniformia. Feliformia. Let's zero in on the Feliformia, a fascinating subgroup of the Carnivora that's as stealthy as it is intriguing. If you're picturing big cats lounging in the savannah, you're on the right track, but there's a whole lot more to this group. Let's break it down, keeping things straightforward and engaging. Feliformia includes all those cat-like carnivores out there. Beyond just your typical lions and tigers, this group also includes hyenas, mongooses, and even some more obscure critters like the fossa. They're defined by their sharp, retractable claws and typically have more specialized teeth for shearing meat compared to their Caniformia cousins. Feliformia started to branch off from other carnivores around 60 million years ago, a little bit after the dinosaurs had left the scene. This split led to the diverse array of species we see today. Over millions of years, these creatures have honed their skills and adapted to various environments, from dense jungles to arid deserts. Feliforms are generally sleek and silent predators. They've got retractable claws that keep sharp for catching prey, and their facial structure is more V-shaped, which helps with their biting technique. Their ears are often large and their eyesight keen, perfect for hunting at night. Feliformia itself is divided into several families, each with its own unique traits. Felidae, cats. Whether we're talking about a lion on the Serengeti or your neighbor's tabby, members of the Felidae family are some of the most skilled hunters in the animal kingdom. Lions coordinate in groups to ambush large prey like zebras and wildebeests, showcasing remarkable teamwork. On the flip side, a solitary leopard relies on stealth, using its spotted coat to blend into the high grass before pouncing on gazelles or impalas. Domestic cats? They're all about stalking smaller game like birds and mice, using a patient and precise approach before making their quick strike. Hyenidae, hyenas. Hyenas have gotten a bad rap as mere scavengers, but they're actually proficient hunters. Spotted hyenas, for example, can hunt in packs to take down wildebeest or antelope, often outsmarting their prey and using endurance to wear them down. They're not about the quick kill. They rely on their ability to outlast and overwhelm. Meanwhile, the striped hyena, more solitary, tends to go after smaller prey and will scavenge more due to its less aggressive nature. Viveridae, civets and genets. Civets and genets are like the ninjas of the Feliformia world. These animals are generally nocturnal and use their incredible agility and stealth to catch birds, insects, and small mammals. A civet, for instance, might use the cover of night to sneak up on a rodent, while a genet can maneuver through trees with ease to snatch unsuspecting birds. Their hunting is all about finesse and timing. Herpestidae, mongooses. Mongooses are fascinating hunters, famous for their snake-fighting abilities. They're quick and agile, which allows them to dodge venomous snake strikes. Beyond snakes, mongooses often hunt rodents and insects by using their sharp senses to detect their prey before launching rapid, precise attacks. Groups of mongooses can also band together to overwhelm larger prey, demonstrating a collective hunting strategy that's impressive in its execution. Each subgroup within Feliformia demonstrates a distinct hunting technique. The big cats exemplify power and grace, while mongooses display daring and agility. These adaptations highlight their roles in their ecosystems, not merely surviving but thriving. Beyond the big cats, Feliformia represents a diverse group crucial to the ecological balance. From the tiny genet to the majestic lion, each species enriches the ecological fabric. Their story is one of evolution, adaptation, and survival, reflecting the complexity of nature itself. Carnivora. All right, let's jump into the world of Carnivora, the other big branch of the carnivorous family tree. These are the dog-like carnivores, and they pack a diverse punch in the animal kingdom. From the loyal dog at your feet to the giant bears of the forest, Carnivora encompasses a range of fascinating creatures. We'll keep this discussion straightforward and to the point with a bit of flair to keep things interesting. Carnivora includes a wide variety of mammals that most would recognize as the more dog-like of the carnivores. This group isn't just about domestic dogs. It includes everything from wolves and foxes to seals and walruses. Their general body plan tends to be more robust, and unlike their Feliformia cousins, they typically have non-retractable claws. The story of Carnivora begins after the split from their Feliformia relatives about 60 million years ago. This division led to the diverse forms we see today, adapted to environments ranging from icy Arctic waters to dense forests and open plains. Over millions of years, these animals have honed different survival skills, leading to a fascinating array of adaptations. Caniforms generally have longer snouts, non-retractable claws, and a body built for stamina rather than just speed. They tend to be more social animals compared to the often solitary feliforms, with complex pack behaviors seen in wolves and nuanced family structures in otters and some bears. Now let's dive a bit deeper into the main families within Carnivora. Canidae, dogs and relatives. Starting with the Canidae, which includes dogs, wolves, foxes, and jackals. These guys are often pack hunters, which means they work together to track and take down prey. Wolves, for example, might target large animals like deer, elk, or even bison. They use their endurance, running prey down until it's too tired to fight back. Foxes, on the other hand, tend to hunt solo, pouncing on small mammals like mice or birds. They rely more on stealth and agility, sneaking up on their prey before delivering the final strike. Ursidae, bears. Bears are mostly solitary hunters, and their diet can vary widely depending on the species. Polar bears are apex predators in Arctic regions, primarily hunting seals by waiting patiently by ice holes to snatch them as they come up for air. Grizzly bears, contrastingly, have a more varied diet that can include fish, like salmon during spawning season, small mammals, and a considerable amount of plant material. They use their immense strength and speed in short bursts to catch prey or fish. Mustelidae, weasels and relatives. The Mustelidae family is all about versatility. This group includes weasels, otters, badgers, and wolverines. Weasels are small but fierce, capable of taking down rabbits or rodents much larger than themselves by using quick, precise attacks. Otters combine play and hunting, often sliding around in the water to catch fish. Wolverines, the tanks of the Mustelidae, are known for their incredible strength and will take on prey or carrion that's much larger, including deer or even elk. Procyonidae, raccoons and relatives. Raccoons, the most familiar of the Procyonidae, are more scavengers than hunters. However, when they do hunt, they're opportunistic and will eat almost anything they can get their paws on. Fish, birds, and eggs are common targets. They use their dexterous hands to catch prey, manipulate objects, or even remove shells and other protective barriers. Aliridae, red panda. Last but not least, the red panda, which is a bit of an outlier in the hunting discussion. These mild-mannered creatures are primarily herbivores, feasting mainly on bamboo. They do occasionally eat insects, birds, or small mammals, but they're more about foraging than hunting. Each subgroup within Carnivora has developed distinct hunting techniques and dietary habits, enabling them to thrive in their unique ecological roles. Wolves employ endurance hunting, while raccoons utilize opportunistic scavenging, demonstrating the group's versatile adaptability in the carnivorous realm. These skills allow them to conquer various challenges, from chasing prey across vast plains to fishing in rivers. Carnivora epitomizes evolutionary triumph, with its members finely tuned to diverse habitats and pivotal in their ecosystems. They are not merely survivors, they are pioneers, each carving a niche through strength, cunning, or adaptability. The diversity within Carnivora underscores the myriad ways carnivores have evolved to succeed on our planet. Carnivores play critical roles in their ecosystems. As top or near-top predators, they help regulate the populations of other animals, which in turn influences vegetation and the overall health of the ecosystem. They're part of a delicate balance where each species has a part to play. In short, Carnivora isn't just about lions, tigers, and bears, oh my. It's a complex, intertwined order that plays a pivotal role in maintaining the health of the world's ecosystems. Through their evolutionary adaptations, diverse roles in nature, and the sheer variety within the order, they tell a story of life's intricate dance of survival and interdependence.